This is a FirstWARN Tri-Cities severe weather alert. Here is Chief Forecaster Skylar Doyle.
This is a FirstWARN Tri-Cities severe weather alert from the FirstWARN Tri-Cities Weather Center. I'm FirstWARN Tri-Cities Chief Forecaster Skylar Doyle. We're tracking some severe thunderstorm warning that has now been issued for parts of southwest Virginia. So the Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for a good part of Wise County, the city of Norton, northern Lee County, a good part of northern Scott County, and western Russell County in southwest Virginia until 11:45 for the potential of this line of thunderstorms producing damaging winds up to about 60 miles an hour. We take a live look at our FirstWARN Doppler radar. Severe thunderstorms kind of along the lines here are moving off to the east at 30 miles an hour with potential for some 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. The Weather Service's damaging wind and the continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring within this thunderstorm, along with very torrential rainfall that could lead to some localized flooding concerns here as this continues to move into southwestern Virginia. We'll give you a full look at the entire region in just a moment, but first let's examine our severe thunderstorm concerns. Severe thunderstorms here around Big Stone Gap, Dunbar, pushing toward Norton, and more activity that could produce damaging winds down into northern Lee County. Here, as we turn on our high-res velocity, lighter color is going to be where the highest winds are. Look at the highest winds around Big Stone Gap and Appalachia, kind of heading toward Norton and into northern Scott County, the High Knob area there, where we're looking at the potential for some high wind gusts within this. We'll take radar full here real quick and show you where those potential for some straight line damaging winds are, the very heavy rainfall as well. I notice on the screen, the severe thunderstorm warning does include a very small part of Russell County in southwest Virginia. Russell County already being hard hit with torrential amounts of heavy rain this afternoon and this evening, and more rain, very heavy rain, is pushing into the Russell County area. It could lead to some more flash flooding in that area. So that flash flood warning for Russell County is in effect until 12:30. For more rain on the way, that warning can need to be extended. Let's go down to the south, into the Tri-Cities. More shower and thunderstorm activity ongoing from Hampton, Elizabethton, up into southern Sullivan County near Piney Flats, just east of the airport now, toward Arcadia, and just to the east of Kingsport. These storms look to be producing just heavy rainfall and continuous cloud ground lightning strikes, and then more thunderstorms in northern Johnson County, far northeast Sullivan County, and southeast Washington County, Virginia, including into the Damascus area. Let's take a look at our radar out of Blacksburg. It's just a little bit of a better view of the wind field on this storm that's pushing into Damascus. And again, there could be some gusty winds in northern Johnson County, southern southeast Washington County, Virginia, near the Tennessee border and near Damascus. Let's head back up to the north for the reason we're here for you, and that is a severe thunderstorm warning now for the Big Stone Gap area and the Wise County area. Again, strong to severe now thunderstorms in parts of Sullivan County, or sorry, not Sullivan County, parts of Wise, Lee County, Scott County, and Russell County, but still some strong storms down in Sullivan County as well here. And just look at advisories as well back in southeast Kentucky. We'll talk about those here in just a little bit. The main reason that we are here is this severe thunderstorm warning, and the severe storms over Brookstone Gap and pushing into Norton. So if you are in Norton or in Wise, near UGA Wise, near High Knob there, near the Scott County line, the severe thunderstorms with those straight line damaging winds essentially are heading your way, and the showers and storms stretch down toward the Pennington Gap area and could be producing gusty winds. They also stretch north to near the town. Again, damaging wind gusts possible within these storms. I am going to turn on our flood advisories so you can see those. We do have a few of the advisories that are out right now. We did. We have one for eastern Leslie County and part here of Letcher County, Whitesburg, and Blackey. Another one for Letcher County and Harlan County. And more flood advisories, including Middlesboro and Pineville in Bell County. And it don't look like we have any in Southwest Virginia or Northeast Tennessee at the moment. But again, some localized ponding of water is possible. And more significant flooding is possible in the flash flood warning in Russell County, Virginia. That's in effect until 12:15. But again, it looks like the main uh, rainfall is out of the area for now, but more heavy rain moving in with these storms in Wise County and Lee County as they continue to push east. They're pushing east at 30 miles an hour, so we'll track this line off to the east at 30 miles an hour. This will end up pushing into Washington County, Virginia as well. Norton, these storms are coming toward you. 11:03 here, but it could be just a little earlier than that. Fort Blackmore, 11:10. Landon, 11:19. Tucker's Neck at 11:25. Nicholsville, 11:28. Castlewood, 11:38 with these storms. Mendota, 11:41. That's into Washington County. Cleaners, 11:56. Lebanon around midnight. Rumley Gap, 12:07. Abingdon, 12:15. And these could end up flipping the northern part of Bristol, Virginia. Now, Bristol is about to get in on some storm action right now as well, coming out of the southwest to northeast. There's the Morristown radar. You'll see those storms developing to the north there, but these storms here are pushing east, so some different storm motions with these storms, and all these storms kind of going to be moving over the same area could cause some flooding concerns. So flooding, definitely a heightened threat, some flash flooding likely as we continue into our early overnight hours here, or late evening and into the early overnight hours. Again, 10:51 on a Thursday evening, and I'm FirstWARN Tri-Cities Chief Forecaster Scarlett Oil. We're tracking severe thunderstorm warnings right now in parts of the viewing area. Severe thunderstorm warnings do include parts of Wise County. Most of the county there in Wise County is under a severe thunderstorm warning at the moment. Northern Lee County from Pennington Gap north under those warnings as well, along with a good part of northern and central Scott County north of Gate City and Hilton's under the warning, and then parts of western and southwest Russell County, including Castlewood and St. Paul to near Dickinsonville under the warning as well. And most of Russell County under a flash flood warning right now. Flash flood warning goes until 12:30. The warning here for the severe thunderstorm goes until 11:45 this evening. So again, severe thunderstorm warnings in effect here in Southwest Virginia for the potential of straight line damaging winds. Also, the potential here of some small hail. Hail threat though with these does look fairly low, thankfully. So that is some good news if we have any right now. The good news is these warnings it doesn't look like much hail. There could be some small penny-sized hail. The main threat with these is going to be the damaging straight line wind and the very heavy amounts of rain, with these only moving at 25 to 30 miles an hour. Very heavy amounts of rain could lead to ponding of water on roadways in areas that have multiple shower and storms. It could lead to the potential of some uh, flash flooding, like what we saw in Russell County already. Some of that radar indicated flash flooding. Expect those flash flooding concerns to get even worse. Potential more heavy rainfall, maybe another inch of rain with these storms as they move in. Also here, this complex that's just out in the Kingsport area, down through Hampton, kind of pushing northeast, and then you got the complex up here pushing more easterly. We'll have to watch potential of these storms all train over the same area in the Bristol and Abingdon area, and parts of Scott County, parts of Washington County. If that occurs, we'll be looking at flash flooding concerns there as well. I'm not saying that exactly what's going to occur. Some of these could weaken. That is some concern that we do have. And so an active late evening, early overnight for us here. We will continue to track these storms as they continue to head off to the east. So again, this a little bit more information here regarding the severe thunderstorms that are moving through. We have a severe thunderstorm warning. This warning is for parts of Russell County here into parts of northern Scott County, also parts of Wise County, and also Lee County. There's warnings here going until 11:45, and I'll pull me up here on the wall. This is the warning that you're seeing, and there we go. This is the warning that you're seeing here, that yellow polygon there. The green is the flash flood warnings. These are showers and thunderstorms here from Kingsport, Bluff City to Elizabethton. More showers and thunderstorms over Mountain City and Damascus, and more lighter rain, but some pockets of heavier downpours from Bethlehem to Billington to Rogersville to Bulls Gap. There is some more rain off to the west, but it's not much. There is some. So we're going to continue to track all of this kind of east. Some of these kind of pushing more of a northeasterly motion, these pushing more east southeast as they continue to push through the area. And again, could cause some severe thunderstorm wind gusts, especially there in Wise County, northern Lee County, part of northern Scott County, and also western parts of Russell County and southwestern Virginia. And again, the flash flooding concerns will once again rise in Russell County, where those heavy rainfall and earlier the flood warning effect and more heavy rainfall is kind of pushing in. We will continue to track these storms to the east. Should more warnings be issued, the plan will be for us to come back on the air and give you those updates. For now, we are going to go off the air and come back as need be. For now, live from the FirstWARN Tri-Cities Weather Alert Center, I'm FirstWARN Tri-Cities Chief Forecaster Scott Doyle. Stay weather aware, especially over the next couple of hours. We continue to track these storms east, the flooding threat, and also the low-end threat of some strong to severe thunderstorms with damaging thunderstorm winds. For now, though, we will go off the air. We'll come back as need be.